গাইস আগে দেখিয়েছিলাম আমাদের দুবাইয়ের অ্যাপার্টমেন্ট, এখন আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো আমাদের আবু ধাবির অ্যাপার্টমেন্ট। সো নাও লেটস গো। So now you enter. It's অনেক বড়, it's very posh as well. It has a lot of facilities. So now let's check out all the rooms. First of all, as you can see, there's a nice mirror so you can take pictures. And here, right over here, is the living room. Right here. There's a big TV which I'm gonna watch Netflix on, and there's also a really comfy sofa right here. As you can see, it's really comfortable. And here's a telephone and a table for studying. If you want to do your work, then you can do it right here. And over here we have another table so you can eat here actually. And over here is the kitchen. So let's move on to the kitchen. There's everything you need for a kitchen, like a fridge and a counter with an oven. There's even irons and an ironing table, a washing machine, a sink, everything you need. And there's also a fire extinguisher because you never know what goes wrong. So now let's move from the kitchen to the first bedroom. Let's go. Yeah. Okay, so this is the first bedroom. There's 2 twin beds with red covers. It's really classy. I like it a lot. And the back wall design is also very, very nice. And over here there is a table and a really big mirror so you can always take those Instagram pictures. And right across the hallway is a bathroom, but this room only has 1 bathroom. So there's a sink, a shower, a bath, and all the necessities you need. And this is also a nice added touch. People who read namaz like me, we can do our wudu right here. Okay, now let's move on to the master bedroom. Okay, so this is almost like the other one, just with a bigger bed and a bigger mirror right over here. There's an extra mirror, and there's also an extra cupboard that you can put all your clothes inside. And, oh, I'll open it then. A really big and spacious cupboard, and yeah. So over here is another desk, another mirror, and another large window so you can see Abu Dhabi from over here. Enjoy your nice view. আমরা যেহেতু 15 তলায় এখন, এখানে উপর থেকে পুরো আবু ধাবি দেখা যায় very nicely as well. Abu Dhabi. Jurban's here. আমরা এখানে 2 রাত থাকবো এবং পার নাইট আমাদের পড়ছে $120 করে, অর্থাৎ বাংলাদেশি টাকায় 14,000 টাকা পড়বে। তো আপনারা যদি এরকম সুন্দর অ্যাপার্টমেন্টে থাকতে চান তাহলে আগে ভাগে অনলাইনে বুকিং দিয়ে রাখবেন, যেমন গোজাইন, আগোরা, booking.com এগুলাতে। তাহলে আপনারা